AI-powered e-commerce and dropshipping, step-by-step guide. Waving in, hey everyone! Welcome to this video, where I'll show you how to build an AI-powered dropshipping business from scratch. Lightbulb, what is AI dropshipping? A fully automated online store that requires no inventory. AI helps find winning products, run ads, and manage customer service. Direct hit, what you'll learn today. How to use AI to find profitable products. How to set up an automated Shopify WooCommerce store. How AI can handle marketing, pricing, and customer support. Chart increasing, why is this important? AI makes e-commerce faster, smarter, and more profitable. Step 1. Finding profitable AI-powered products. Hammer and wrench AI tools for product research. Sell the trend /EcomHunt. Find viral products. Google Trends. Check product demand. AliExpress Dropshipping Center. See sales history. Backend index pointing right. How to use AI for product research. Ask ChatGPT. What are the trending dropshipping products in 2025? Cross-check with Google Trends for real-time demand. Find the best suppliers on AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping. You sell the trend to see top-selling items. Choose a niche with high demand and low competition. Step 2. Setting up your AI-driven dropshipping store. Wrench, choosing your e-commerce platform. Shopify, easy to use, all-in-one solution. WooCommerce plus WordPress, more control, lower cost. Rocket, step-by-step store setup. Sign up for Shopify or install WooCommerce. Select an AI-powered theme, e.g. Debutify. Add an AI-generated product description tool, copy.ai/ChatGPT. Used Sarah/Zendrop to import and automate product fulfillment. Set up automated payment processing. Pushpin pro tip. AI-generated product descriptions and order automation save time and boost conversions. Step 3. AI marketing and advertising. Bar chart AI tools for marketing. Ad creative. AI-generated ad creatives. Jasper. AI-powered copywriting for ads and emails. Canva AI-generated banners and product images. Meta, Facebook, ads plus AI targeting, optimize ad campaigns. Rocket AI marketing strategy. Use AI to generate ad creatives for Facebook and Instagram. Set up AI email funnels with Klaviyo. Use AI influencer marketing platforms like Heapsy/Upfluence. AI helps with A/B testing, ensuring higher ROI on ads. Step 4. AI customer support and automation. Hammer and wrench AI tools for customer service. ChatGPT chatbot, 24/7 automated replies. Tidio AI-powered live chat for Shopify. Zendesk AI, automated ticket management. Rocket, how AI improves customer service. AI chatbots instantly answer customer questions. AI email automation sends real-time responses. AI-powered FAQs reduce support tickets. Pushpin pro tip. AI reduces response times, improving customer satisfaction and conversions. Step 5. Automating and scaling with AI. AI pricing tools. Automate competitive pricing. AI sales prediction. Use Pecan. AI order processing. Automate product fulfillment. AI-driven analytics help you optimize and scale faster. Direct hit conclusion and call to action. 20 to 2100 hours. Clapping hands, congratulations. Congratulations. You now have a fully AI-powered dropshipping business. Speech balloon, what's next? White heavy checkmark, test these AI tools and start selling. Comment below. Which niche are you choosing? White heavy checkmark, like and subscribe for more AI business hacks.